Ready to ditch those boring banners and create scroll-stopping graphics that grab attention? Let's jump into Canva and I'll show you how to craft professional banners in minutes. First, head to Canva.com and in the search bar, type the specific banner size you need, like YouTube banner or Facebook ad banner, or simply type banner for general options. Canva has a ton of pre-designed templates to get you started. Browse through the options and pick one that vibes with your brand or campaign. Don't stress if it's not perfect. We can totally customize it. Now for the fun part, customization. Click on any element to edit it. Let's start with the background. You can change the color, upload your own image, or choose one from Canva's free library. To swap out an image, select the existing one and hit delete, then drag and drop a new photo from the Photos tab on the left. Resize and reposition it until it looks just right. Next up, the text. Double-click on the text boxes to edit the words. Choose a font that's easy to read and reflects your brand's personality. Play around with the size, color, and spacing to make it pop. Don't forget to add your logo or any other branding elements. You can upload them from your computer in the Uploads tab. Finally, take a step back and look at your design as a whole. Make sure everything is balanced and visually appealing. Utilize Canva's guides to make sure elements are aligned, and remember, less is often more. Don't overcrowd your banner. Once you're happy with your masterpiece, hit the download button in the top right corner, choose your preferred file format, usually PNG or JPG, and boom. You've got a killer banner ready to go. Now go out there and create some stunning banners.